Ubah sensyar kupar Roy Lengdok Thaba ubala Syakjid kum MLA Kesokyong Constituency ubala job Nakaseng United Democratic Party UDP ubala Tami Ukertong ke NPP ubah Samlin Melnyang kubade MLA Barim dalai car sospa arpu arvot Hagjingnya vote mendak kalai trik Ukertong ke United Democratic Party ubah sensyar ubala job ya kena ke election dalai car sospa arpu arvot ubah sensyar ubala yo kandre hajar rispa nyip kandai vote kat Ukertong ke NPP ubah Samlin Melnyang berwan baar ubala yo kalajar arspa sanpunyo vote Ukertong bawan balai ude naga kongres ba Osborn Karjana ubalayo ciajar newspa nrupu arvot kumban kedehang nei ke election haso yong lapen kerja hadir kejing klat kensan Ukertong ke United Democratic Party uba HDR Lingdo bat kebala penlong biang kejing tap vote men hakasipo tarik mentau benai
Yeah, obviously, it's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era in Soyong constituency. I've said, like, to come to Soyong constituency, this is a clear message. Do not come and buy people with money, come with love. This is a strong message. Obviously, sympathy vote. Kade, kajingi jong pajba imahe, takajaka jongi ngami mangate. So pajba. Kadang sympathy vote. Start from zero again after everything whatever my uncle has done. So Jinkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards. Because I am from there. I know a lot about Soyong constituency. To upgrade all educational institution. That is my first priority. So kumkwa gibri bikin dan kita ki dropouts. At kumjur kumnoban upgrade the education system for Soyong constituency. That is a priority. You Ahmad kanire kam kaba masih magadiri kam kentang nang ni sakhamat dong IT be hokle trakenar da sumar yalam nanti yang aban pejnya ka constituency brokwe kumjuru ya love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan le pajba hi kilawan hi daga mensim daga jingjingit ganir ka diga strong message ba hapo soyong wajuan daga bor pisah I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like main campaign subject jungi public campaign.
So,
itu